Sometimes sa buhay natin, by losing a battle, we find a new way to win the war. That means, if you fail in the things that you're doing, you should not be discouraged. Why? A failure or a mistake is an opportunity for you to learn a better way in what you are doing. So that is why, huwag kang maniwala sa mga taong nagsasabi sa'yo na palagi ka naman nag-fail. Mistake ulit. Hindi nagawa ulit. Alam mo bakit? Every failure na nangyari sa buhay mo, meron ka dapat lesson na natutunan sa buhay mo at sa nangyari na yun. Kasi kapag ka lumagpas yung failure or yung mistake na yun, tapos wala kang natutunan, yun yung mali na mangyayari sa buhay mo kasi you would stay stuck. However, kapag ka marami kang natutunan sa mga failures mo, the more you fail and the faster you learn, the faster you also succeed in life. And that is why I want you to fail fast, learn fast, so that you can succeed fast.